We are here today at SeaWorld. Oh, there's Manta Ray. Love that ride, one of my favourite rides. Can't wait to get on that one. You certainly can put that map in there. Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, we've acquired a stroller for the day. Because if you have little ones, it definitely helps. We found yesterday with Magic Kingdom as well, we rented one from there. It's $15 for the day, so it's not too bad.
Look in there.
And they're really helpful. Ooh, flamingos. Oh, here they come, look. Just done the penguin ride and it is freezing in here. It's really good though, it's so clever how the cars go around that course. So there's no track or anything, I'm not sure how they do it, but very clever. Some of them have a scratch.
It's really cold.
Okay. So good. Oh, there's more up here. Come in. Tell them about the penguin ride.
I went on the penguin. Okay. They went on the penguin. Now you can go.
Spider. I'm going to talk to the camera. Put it up here. Try and tilt it up a bit. There we go. So we're just feeding the kids. She's a happy little bunny when she's getting fed. See if I can get her on here. Say hiya. 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 Yeah, she's just chilling. So if you come out of the penguin bit, you can go to the little food court out the front, which is really good. So it's got some sort of... The food was good, wasn't it? They got Italian, like southern fried chicken, and like Asian sort of chicken dishes. So they got a bit of everything really, and it's good. Same sort of prices you'd find in most parks. It was nice. Yes. What did you think to the shouldn't really be going through my wallet, should you? I know I've got pennies, and that's how it's going to stay. So why didn't you tell the people at home about the dolphin show that you saw?
The dolphin show?
What happened in the dolphin show?
The dolphins feared us.
They were flipping, were they?
Because they did this. They swam.
Really?
They swam like this.
Whoa.
I come and they spin me out. And they send out a ball. He did.
Jumped out of the water.
So I'm gonna tell him she's going to walk out.
Can you see the stingrays, Callum? Look down here, look. Wow, look at them. Water cools them down? Yeah, water cools them down. Oh, look, Callum, here they come. You can one there. Oh, you can touch him, Callum. Oh, look, there's some coming.
Okay, look.
Done?
Oh, it's fine. Oh, that's speedy.
Go down. Yeah.
So
we're going to go buy some stingray food and feed the stingrays.
You're going to place your hands as deep down in the water as you can.
Excited?
Those rays are going to on top of the
Right,
stingray.
so you have to do it.
The big way the stingrays will rest and
Put it between your fingers, like that.
Camouflage.
And you put it in the water like that.
Oh
Oh my god! You don't just chuck it in, Callum.
Come here, come here.
You've got to hold it in your hand. Oh, feels wrong. Oh, it's like a Hoover. Do it. It's just like a Hoover. They got no teeth. No, don't chuck it in, Callum. You just hold it in like that. Hold it like that. And then you need to put your hand on the bottom like that. Oh, look at it. Do you want to have a go? Come on then. He wants it, look. Look, here he comes up. He's going to get it. You watch. Look, Callum. Watch, someone's going to get it. Look. Oh, they get it. Oh, no.
They're stupid.
They're like, oh my god, I get it. Right on that one.
Vengan para acá, tráiganme.
He is a big boy. He's definitely the king of that rock. Here he goes. Going for a splash. Nope, nope, getting fed. What's up? There he goes. Oh, Mako. Feed the shark. I want to feed the shark. Better than Callum up here. That's a nice bush. This place is beautifully themed. Yeah, it does.
Music.
Yeah. Oh, it's here. Mako. So I've just come off Mako. That is absolutely amazing. That is now my favourite ride at SeaWorld. It's Manta was, just for that gut feeling it gives you on that certain twist drop. But that is just amazing. We just done it twice. It's literally straight walk on. We went right at the front first, which is the second part of the ride. It's definitely better at the front. But then we went on the back straight afterwards. And the first drop, it's over a 90-degree drop, and it just whips you straight round. It's amazing. The air time on that is absolutely astounding. It's so smooth as well. It's definitely my favourite ride at SeaWorld. Maybe at the whole of Orlando. But yeah, it's just breathtaking, fantastic.
Oh,
how was your ride on Mako?
Could you imagine if Lisa went on that? It was, Lisa would have been, oh.
Did you enjoy your Mako journey?
No. Not the first bit.
What did you not like about it?
First drop is horrific. If you don't like vertical, long drops, don't come. I was shaking.
It's really high, really high.
Come back down to there. Literally. I need to see that. You will see it.
So SeaWorld is definitely one of my favourite parks out of all of them around here. It's just so good. It's got a bit of everything. It's got loads for the kids to do. It's got some pretty cool rides. Mako being the new addition, which absolutely just blew me away. It was so good. Well, I know it had good reviews and stuff, but I wasn't expecting it to be as good as what it was. So yeah, that was definitely a plus.